So good evening everyone. I will now show you how to install the Flutter SDK into your Android Studio IDE. So first you wanna go ahead and open your browser, then type in flutter.dev. Alright, now you wanna click here, get started, and then choose Windows, and then get this stable.zip file. This is where your Flutter SDK is stored. So go ahead and download that and wait for it to finish downloading. So unfortunately I cannot show you the installation process of my Android Studio, as I already have limited bandwidth and I already installed it previously, but unfortunately I was not able to record the installation process, but it works, so yeah. So now that we've already downloaded our Flutter zip file, we locate it. It's in the downloads, and here we can see Flutter Windows 7 unstable build, and then we extract it right down to our documents folder and click OK, and then click OK and replace those files. It shouldn't take long, just unpacking some things. Alright, and done. So we locate that folder where we extracted this in the documents, so we remember that. Now but the fun doesn't stop there, so go ahead and press the Win key or start, and go ahead and navigate to edit system variables by typing env here, and click environment variables. In the path you want to edit this. Yeah. Now here you wanna say new, and then you wanna browse down to our documents. You find the Flutter SDK folder right under Flutter Windows 2.5.1 stable, Flutter, and then bin, and then that's where our variables are. So go ahead and click OK. Now you can see here OK, click OK, click OK. Now go ahead and verify that again. After closing it, you need to verify it. So now in our paths, you can see the Flutter bin folder right here, right? Alright, now click OK, exit that, and then open your Android Studio. So now that we've opened our Android Studio, it should load the current project that you have worked on. So now go ahead and click the file, go to settings, and wait for it. So under the plugins tab should be right here, or you can search it right here. It will pop up the plugin. Go ahead and choose Marketplace, and here you can find the Flutter plugin. Okay, install Dart as well. It should be downloading. Shouldn't take more than a minute. Okay, it will ask you to restart the IDE, and we go ahead and restart our IDE. Restart. So once the IDE has been restarted, you want to go ahead and click on File, New, and then New Flutter Project. Under the project SDKs, you will have to navigate to, once again, the path to the Flutter folder. Not the bin, but the Flutter folder itself. Okay, once you let me show you another example when the IDE cannot detect the Flutter SDKs. So once you choose another folder which doesn't contain the Flutter SDK, you will see this notification: Flutter SDK is not found in the specified location. But on the other hand, once you click the right folder, you should see that disappear. Next, you wanna go ahead and name your project. First project for Flutter. And then click Finish. Alright, I removed the number. That's what was trying to hinder my app building process. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can go ahead and click this Project for Flutter folder under your Android, and then App, SRC, Main, and then Kotlin. You should see your main activity right here. And then for the layout, you can locate that in the drawable launch background.xml. Alright, so our Gradle isn't configured. Alright, you should see your layout be able to be edited now. So that pretty much wraps up our Flutter installation process. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record my installation process for Android Studio because I have limited bandwidth, and on the previous installation of this Android Studio IDE, I wasn't able to record it. So yeah, thanks for watching.